Hey guys, welcome back. Today we'll try to understand how we can zoom in, zoom out your data. At times our data looks s- uh, very small, which you want to make it bigger, or you want to make it much bigger so that it is viewable to everyone. Yeah. How you do it is you have a slider at the bottom of the screen. On the right hand corner, bottom hand of the screen, you have this slider. Here is where you can do the zoom in, zoom out. So on the left hand side is the minus sign. This is your zoom in option. The minimum zoom in that you can get to is 10%. And the maximum zoom that is on the right hand side, which is indicated by plus sign, can go up to 400%. Yeah, which you can see here. If I move to the left, the lowest percentage that I can go to is 10%. We can see here. Yeah. Whereas if I move to the right, the highest percentage that I go to is 400%. Okay. I usually keep it on 100% so that that's where it looks good. Yeah. So this is how you zoom in or zoom out on your screen based on your preference or how you want to show the data, whether you are presenting it or you are doing any kind of analysis for yourself. It's best based on the screen or the distance from which you are sitting from the screen. You can adjust this zoom in, zoom out. Now, the another option from where you can zoom in or zoom out is with your keyboard. Yeah. How do you do it with your keyboard? So before going to keyboard, I'll show you the option which is available on the ribbon. So you go to view. Here you have the option, the zoom group. You go to the view tab, and in view tab, we have this zoom group. Yeah. So from the zoom group, you can click on zoom and it will give you the options to zoom your screen. It has some fixed option which you can move to from 25 to 200%, or you can say just fit selection, and I'll say okay. So it will just fit the selection. Yeah. Or I can say custom zoom and I can specify the percentage of which I need the zoom. Yeah. Suppose I have zoomed directly to any percentage, 200, 300%, and I want it to directly come to 100%. I can just come here and click on 100%. Yeah. Next is you can zoom only the selection. Yeah. So I'll suppose I make it 100 once again. And I suppose I have selected some cells here and I want to zoom only this selection. So I'll say zoom. I first select the data which I want to zoom and I'll say zoom to selection. You see this? The window has automatically got into a zoom mode, zoom out mode on the specified cells which I have selected. So we saw two ways. First was through the slider, which is available on the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. Second is from the ribbon, which is from view tab and zoom group. That's an entire group which you can use for zooming out of your data. And last but not the least is, as I said, as always through shortcut keys. So let me keyboard access that you can get is let me open the on-screen keyboard. So you press Alt, which will open the ribbon. Okay. Let me get on this. Okay. So we need to press Alt. That will open all the menus. Press W to go to the view, and then you can press Q, J, G, whichever option you want to. Suppose you want to get 100% or particular zoom to selection. Yeah. So I pressed G. If I want to get 100%, I'll say Alt W J. Yeah. So this is how you use the keyboard to zoom in, zoom out in Excel. Now there are a previous version in which we used to use Control plus or Control minus. There are higher versions to 2016 which uses Control Alt is equal to for zoom in and Control Alt minus sign for zoom out. Yeah. So you need to be careful which version of Excel you're using to zoom in or zoom out the data on your screen. But there are three ways, whichever ways you want to use it, either by ribbon or from the slider, it's up to you. Yeah. Hope you understood the concept of zooming in and zooming out in Excel. Hope you like this video. Do like it, share it across with your colleagues who want to learn Excel. Do comment if you want me to cover any of the topics in Excel in my future videos of 365 days of Excel. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel because that's how you will get all my videos when I post them. Thank you so much.